Hey guys, it's Josh here from 2025, here to bring you your other Fun Fact Friday for today. Today we'll be talking about fire-rated doors and its purpose. Fire-rated doors are designed to withstand the heat and pressure of a fire. Its main purpose is to actually contain the fire from different compartments of the building, ensuring that the fire doesn't spread uncontrollably. But here's the fun fact, it's not just about containing the fire. These doors are actually designed to also protect the emergency escape routes in the event of a fire. It allows people to evacuate safely by blocking the fire from entering staircases, hallways, and other critical paths. That's why it is crucial to ensure that the routine maintenance checks on these doors are done correctly. Here in 2025, part of our inspect and test team will be able to inspect the door fully by checking the gaps is at a minimum, that the door self-closes in the event of a fire, that the additional hardware attached to the door, like the hinges, closer, lock set, and seals, and other additional things attached to it, is installed correctly and is operating correctly. Does your property have a fire door? If so, come check us out at 2025 and ensure that it meets industry standards.